So now we will see how we are going to work with the Google Classroom. Okay, how to give the assignments to the student, how to give the material to the students, so that we will see. Now first of all, for that purpose you have to go to the classwork. Here you can see there is a plus button, that is create. Okay, into this you can see there is assignment, quiz assignment, question, material, and topic is there. Reuse, post, and topic is there. So it is better to go sequentially. So first of all, if you like to give the material to the students, click onto it. Then which subject material you want to give, you have to type that. For example, I'm going to give them some notes. Okay, so I have to add. See, there are the options, that is you can give them the notes from your drive, from the link, you can provide them the link. Okay, like this. Then you can upload a file, or you can also give the material from the YouTube. So we will see one by one. So file, suppose there is something in my computer that I want to share with my students, so you have to upload that file. So I will select that. So I want to like share this PPT. So open it and upload it. So it will take some time to upload. See, there is an option that add more files. You can add more than one file, whatever, 20 to up to 20 files you can add. Once the uploading has completed, so it's taking time. So see, get uploaded. Now there you can also delete it if you don't want to give it to the students. Now this material is of blood analysis, so I will write here blood analysis. Okay, now some small description you want to about it, that what it consists of. It consists of blood analysis, then collection method, collection and analysis method. Methods consist of. Now here, for whom you want to give, you no doubt it is a BSc to BSc second year class, all students you want to give that note. You can select the students also if you want to give particular one student, two students. Okay, now which topic, that is blood analysis. Okay, now you can post this. If you want to post it some other time, so there is a that option is also there. Okay, we'll use that later on. So you can see that here your material has come. Okay, and timing also has been given. You can see that in the stream there is update that the student can read that your teacher has uploaded some material and you have to work with it. Okay, so this is about the material. So now we'll see, you can also give them material from your Google Drive. So automatically it get open. I want to upload this video or want to give this video, so you have to add that. Okay, video on COVID-19. Okay, any description that you want to give or not, that is optional thing. And then you have to create a topic because there's something different. And now see, you have to post now. If you want to schedule it, want to give some other time, you can schedule that. Okay, you want to save it as a draft, you can save it and you can discard the draft also. So I'm going to post it. So see, by sequentially it comes over here. Another material that you are going to share, that is the link. Now any links, for example, suppose this is my YouTube video and this its link, so you can copy that and just you can paste over it and add the link, so student will get the link. Now it is about the classroom, so you can give the Google Classroom. Okay, and you can give the description. Again you can add the topic. Now you know how to add create topic and again post it. YouTube, you can also upload the YouTube material, anything that you want. If you have the URL, you can also copy paste the URL, or you can search video on anything that is, for example, I want to or previously you know that this is the video that I want to share with my students. So it is will select very small video. Okay, so it is it consists of methods and whatever that you want to share. You can add multiple over here. Okay, multiple videos also. So in that way also you can multiple videos, multiple material you can add over here. Fine. So we have seen all the four. We have posted them also. So now you can see that by the sequence they all come here in the stream. You can see that classroom material, analysis video, all these things can be seen in the stream for the students. Okay, once we have gave the material to the students for the preparation, then you can give them the assignment and quiz that we will see in the next video.